Hi guys, in this video I provide you the best settings for Samsung Odyssey G3. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step to consider. While these are the basic settings for your Samsung Odyssey G3. Custom. Adjust and save your preferred picture settings. Standard, use the default picture settings when reading using the internet or typing documents. Cinema. This setting will sharper and brightness images when you are watching videos and movies. Dynamic contrast. Select this if you like your monitor to adjust and balance the picture brightness automatically. High brightness. Max out of screen brightness for a truly vivid picture. FPS, improve your visibility. RTS, enhance the color and contrast ratio of the screen. RPG, 3D graphics and messaging will be adjust the role playing game screen. AOS, the picture quality and contrast will be boosted on the on-off-stream gaming screen. sRGB, use the monitor default mode of standard red, green, blue when gaming. Enhance brightness and sharpness when watching sports. Options in AV mode. Standard, suitable if your monitor is set in a bright place. Dynamic. Choose this for an even sharper image on the standard settings. Movie. This will save power and reduce eye strain when your surroundings are dark. Custom. Allow you to change the image based on your personal preference. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.